Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to share screen if your video call is not working on WhatsApp. So if you're trying to do a screen share while you're on video call on WhatsApp but it is not working, then I'll discuss the ways through which it can be possible. So first we have to make sure that you have the updated version of WhatsApp. If not, you can just simply update it. Or maybe your region does not have that version where you can do screen share on WhatsApp. In that case, you just have to wait for a while and this feature will be available for everyone very soon. So once you have updated and you think that you got this feature, then what you have to do is that you just have to simply open up your WhatsApp. Once the WhatsApp gets open, then you just have to simply go to that chat where you would like to do a screen share. Then simply do a video call and just simply click on call and it will do a video call. Once the video call get connected, you can see at the bottom it is even saying that share your screen with others. So that means you have to click onto it and click on share screen, then click on continue and again click onto this pink option. And once you do so, your screen will start presenting. If it doesn't work at first, then you just have to simply try it once again and then it will work. This is because it is a new feature and it has some sort of glitch, therefore sometimes it does not work. So you have to try once or twice, or you can just simply end the call and just do a call once again and try to do a screen share, and then definitely the feature will work. Now your video call is on that, like you're presenting your screen as well and you're also doing a video call. So that's how it all works. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.